What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a long time. Let's see, hopefully this catches my face. Looks about good. But yeah, I'm back home in California, and I gotta do a spark plug change on the GT3. So let me show you what I got here. I also have something else to show you guys. It's been a long time in the making, and I'll go ahead and explain everything as to why it took so long, and yeah, answer all your questions. So let's check it out. Here it is. The GT3 finally has a bumper. Looks so good, huh? A lot of you guys have been messaging me on Instagram since I posted about it, telling me to take it off already. Find that kind of hilarious. Man, these guys did a great job. So if you don't know why I needed a new rear bumper, I was headed out to the track one day in the morning, got a flat tire on the freeway, also got a new front bumper. I'll explain what happened to the front bumper as well, that's as to why it needed to be changed. No, that's not a body line, it's the trunk or the front that's open, so don't worry about that. But yeah, let me explain this real quick. So, got a flat tire. I'm on the side of the freeway, flatbed comes to put the car up on the flatbed, and this is when it gets shitty. He goes to raise the car up on the flatbed. This is the side with the flat tire. This side is lower because the tire's flat. He uses wood planks to get it up onto the flatbed, if you can imagine that. And this side is so low that this part of the fender right here hooks onto the wood planks that he used to get the right angle. And when he's doing that, he's got it on the winch way up there at the top. And all I hear is crack, crack, crack. And I had already known what just happened. He had broken off the clips here, all the clips down below, and even started to break off some of the ones over here on this side. Now, there she is. There's the old bumper. Those clips I was talking about, let me see if I can get this focus. Right here is actually supposed to be like a ring here. That's gone. Look at that. That's gone. Down there's some stuff that's gone too. So yeah, I have the spare bumper in my garage. If anybody wants a GT3 bumper, let me know. I'll go ahead and sell that to you at a very discounted price. It's not like they're 10 grand or anything, but yeah, that's what happened with the rear. The front was a different story. The front happened on the way home from Super Lap Battle. I actually hit a skunk or a raccoon with the front of the car right here, and just completely fucked that side up with the car. I had the front, if you guys remember the canards, one of them was like barely hanging on, so I still have them. I got to put them back on the car, so don't worry, it'll get it'll get the canards put back on, and we'll get going again. But yeah, new front bumper, new light. Now these guys did an extent. I can't talk right now. These guys did an outstanding job. Shit, that took a while to say. Except for I do not know why they reused my old chicken fence. I'm not sure what happened there. I'm not sure why they decided to reuse that, but looks off, that's for sure. But the thing is, it's not too big of a deal because I know I'm gonna track the fuck out of this car, and that's gonna end up looking like that. So, not a big deal at all. We'll be straight. But today, we're gonna be doing some spark plugs. I gotta get ready for a track day this weekend. Of course, I'm here to track. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and take plugs out, check them out. They got about 12,000 miles on them. The cold starts have been a little rough on it, so we'll fix that with the new plugs, and that'll be that. So, yep, here's a time lapse. as you guys can see, this is the passenger side. Super easy for this side. You just got to remove these T30s that are connected to the coil packs. Disconnect the coil packs and then pull out the spark plug. So let's get to it. Try to give you guys a better angle here, if that's possible. Alright guys, this is what a used set looks like versus a new. Doesn't look too bad. Very nice. Alright, so none of these really have anything noteworthy to mention. They all look pretty good. So let's go ahead and drop in these final three. Alright, let's start it up and see what happens. There we go. So set off that car alarm, probably pissed him off. But a couple more things I gotta do. I gotta do the oil change. I'm still under warranty through Porsche Irvine, so they'll go ahead and handle that free of charge. And then I have to swap the exhaust. I'm gonna go with Dundon Lifetime Quiet muffler. And it's got the exhaust tips for Laguna Seca, so they point downwards. I'm just gonna do that because I'm gonna be driving this car around all week, so I definitely want to have something that I can drive around town and not have to worry about, you know, getting pulled over by the cops, because that's been an issue in the past with the crack pipe, not gonna lie. But I mean, I love the crack pipe, but if I'm only gonna be here a week, swapping on and off the exhaust is super easy on these cars. Also, doing the spark plugs on this car, do not be afraid to tackle this job on your own. It's super easy. It's a T30. It's a Star 8. I don't know what that's called. What else? The spark plug tool. A couple extensions. 3/8 ratchet. I use an electric ratchet, as you guys saw. It makes it super easy. The dealership's going to try and charge you upwards of like $1,500 to $2 grand for this job. You don't need to pay that at all. I got this done in an hour, and it's been a while since I've done my spark plugs. So my service intervals, the book calls for 15,000 miles, I think. Since my car's tuned, I like to do it a little earlier. So I'm doing it around 8,000 to 10,000 miles. And no problems except for that rough cold start. But as you guys saw, car fired right up, no rough start, no rough idle, nothing to complain about. So everything turned out well, and I'm excited for the track. We're going to Streets of Willow this Saturday, and of course I'm going to have a track vlog there, so you guys will see all that. All you guys that love my track content, you'll catch all that. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoy my new camera as well. I'm running a Sony a7 IV. I'm sure it looks great. It's amazing, honestly. Professional quality, and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Legit, I just made a few changes to some settings that I found online, and I've just been running it like this, and it looks so good, so much better than the iPhone. That's all I usually do, is just the iPhone, run the iPhone. You guys know that. Pretty low quality, pretty low budget. It's just bare bones type shit, but I'm gonna start using this a lot more often, and yeah, make some higher quality videos for you guys, and that I hope you guys enjoy. So I'll catch you guys next one. Later. Peace.